Well, here it is, guys. Finally installed. All bolted in. Not ready to start yet. Still gonna hook up the wires and install this new catalytic converter I got from, I guess it's made by Pacesetter. I hope that works good. And yeah. Shout out to my bros. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, brothers, for giving me a hand, man. Got this thing done fast and much easier. Looking clean, trying to keep everything good. Man, hope this doesn't rust like crazy, but that's just thinking negatively. Let's think positive. But yep, this is it. Almost there, and then the journey begins for the CR-V. Vacations and all that stuff. Here's the motors. Previous motor was right here. This is the old K24 that was in there. Had a timing slip. That's the story behind this. That all started this all. And here it is. This guy. I guess the timing slipped, and it was on one of our trips coming back from the Niagara Falls. And well, the wife said that this car doesn't sound right, and I didn't believe her. And guess what happened? There's something up. One day it just didn't start. Turned out that I opened up the cover and boom, there it was. It was out of timing, and I guess the quickest thing in my mind was to just do a motor swap. Well, that's where this guy came in. I got this guy at a cheaper price from JDM Depot. I took that route and said, oh man, this is only like for 399 bucks. This JDM 2.0, which says they said on our website that you can go ahead and install it on a CR-V. It's from a CR-V from Japan. So, well, turned out that I should have done more research, but there's not a lot of information on the go-abouts on doing this guy, and it wasn't allowing me to rev right. Had many issues, and I was just pouring money into it. Well. I went ahead and you know what? This isn't working. I need probably like a Honda CR-V ECU for the 2.0 liter version in Japan, and I think in Europe also. That's where they make that motor. The K24A, I guess they call this guy. Well, that didn't work out. So went ahead and ordered another motor from JDM Engine Depot again, and got the K24 for the CR-V. For 2002-2006, but this one seems kind of different, and I hope it does work out right, being a K24. They came with an ECU, which I think it's from like a Honda, starts with P, not Pilot or anything like that, because that's, I think, what, V6. And this guy's story came, I think, 2 or 3 weeks ago, and the weather and stuff like that, it's been keeping me from going forward, especially in my garage. Yeah, I'm glad I do have a garage, shoot. But yeah, so all I gotta do is hook it up. Excuse me, all the electricals and all that stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and take my time. I took all the new parts from that engine that I put on the 2.0 and put it on here. That's that Skunk 2, and a new timing belt for the K24. Which in one of my previous videos, I was actually trying to replace the timing chain on a K20, and I realized that, hey man, this K24 is longer than K21, so K20. So, well, I'm glad I could use a brand new timing belt on this new JDM motor. Well, I hope that starter works out. That's the one that came with the motor. I took that to Ventado and actually O'Reilly, and it turned over 3 times, no problem. So let's hope for the best. All right, guys, thanks for checking out my video. If you like it, subscribe. Even if you don't, well, do what you do. Thumbs up if you do like it. And thanks for watching and following me on this journey of the CR-V. Traveling, well, most of it. And let's see how long this motor is gonna last. I'm hoping 10 years. Well, this year is 2019. Well, let's see. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Check out the next video. I'm gonna start it up. first start on that next video. Let's see if this motor cranks over or this whole car does. Alright, subscribe. Thanks a lot. See ya.